Yes, so my people, we don't come again. Happy New Year. Now, voice of Biafra, the person where they hear his voice, and I'm weekend that day, we don't come again. How na spend on December? People will travel, even people will stay day villa. How na they enjoy? How na waka? I hope on an over drink. How na enjoy? We just day happy. Say we don't see this New Year. This New Year according to Igbo calendar. Now good thing, as you come this new year go day good for you. It could be your best year. It go day better than the past ones. So we dey start this new year with the good news. Because we don't want to start with bad news. Maybe we just start with waiting a group of people called Umoba in Diaspora Club. Umoba in Diaspora Club wanna make us happy. We see una waiting una do for our land. Una go hospital. People where they go for hospital, where no fee pay their bills. Una go pay their bills. All of them they happy. I say our Facebook page enter fire because of what una do. Within 24 hours, that una story don't reach over 100,000 people for our Facebook page. People they call, people they write, say they want know una. If you go for our Facebook page, Voice of Biafra, our main page, the one where you go click like. You go see people who even drop their number there. Say make una contact them. Say they want join una. Because of waiting una do. Una carry happiness put for people's face. Those old women, those old men, poor people who break bone. Waiting say their life they hopeless. Nobody will commode them. People who they look for loan to commode themselves from hospital. Una go pay. You know be small baby that too. Some of them 400 and something thousand naira. Some 300 and something thousand, some 200 and something thousand, some 100 and something thousand. When I pay that kind of thing, okay, God bless you now. Anywhere where that money from, as soon as they go back to anywhere we are from, they make Chineke protect una, make our ancestors protect una, make this year they better than last year for una, so that the ones who wanna go do this year go big pass. We they use this opportunity make other people learn from waiting Omoba in Diaspora Club will do. Waiting they do. Now them be the real Biafrans. Real Biafra na Biafra we like the brother, we like the sister. We no want the brother, sisters, other people we no even relate them. They cry. You get people who go carry that money, go club, go job. Because sometimes you see them for social media. Say some people go club, spend 5 million, say, which part of overs then they live? For this London way they live, to get money nowadays, you go work and well. For people, they chop them for club. But these people no want chop their own for club. People, they used to buy just clothes they wear. Buy shoes they wear. But these people carry their own. Go come on people for hospital. That money we wanna spend, you don't know how many lives we wanna save. Because some of them, waiting they kill many people for hospital and hopelessness. But when I don't give them hope, say at least good people there for this world. We they thank una well. Una try well. Say una go make us proud. Or make una go on our Facebook page. Go see people we want join una. Or una fit contact us too. Because if una day for any of una day for London here, in fact we would like interview one of una try well. We dey encourage other people make them learn from una don't set pace. Because on the news now we break and for social media things scatter everywhere. The next one with the next story where we dey enter now, that one no be good news. It no be good news, but we say we go touch am because this thing it happened a lot last year. Now suicide. Say 1st of January, one young man for Obolafo just go hang himself. If Obuna so they call him. Hang himself. We no want show the graphic image of that person because we want respect the family. They temper me. The following day, and that young lady for Imo State, one of those communities there, go commit suicide again. Third immediately, and that young lady again. That one happened for Abuja. They said the lady they go school for Nasarawa Polytechnic undergraduate. Say the boyfriend abandon and go marry someone else. He go commit suicide. That one no finish. And not that the understood come say this Lagos guy where they call DJ SG. Say the wife will leave him. That one commit suicide. Say this suicide will go take time talk him. e get somebody wey be mental health specialist wey we go bring to this studio one of these days make e come talk to our people. Because last year people wey commit suicide boko. Some people jump inside the third mainland bridge. From third mainland jump inside water. They no fit even count them. In fact, reach level where police go, they there, they catch people wey won't commit suicide. We won't use this opportunity to beg on. Say hope day. Hope day, no go kill yourself. You get what in Igbo people they talk nkiruka. Nkiruka. Because this word where they no compare yourself with anybody. No, they compare yourself. Because now there where problem they enter. From there, jealousy, envy, depression, panic attack. Now from there, because you compare yourself with other people. That one person na my mate, he don't make him. This person na my mate, he don't make him. This one na my mate, he don't marry. This one na my mate, he don't buy motor. This one na my mate, he don't build house. My brother, you dey unique. Oh. No two people be the same. Even your mate don't die also. Why you know they compare and say, oh, that person na my mate, he don't die, make I begin die. No. There's hope for you. Hope will play Boko. If you read people's story, this man, what did they call, will be the owner of alebaba.com. Is it Jack Mayer waiting, they call him. If the man tell you his story self, even as in the talk, the man they talk, they laugh. Everywhere, everything we do, he fell. He fell, but the man na billionaire. Primary school, he fell. Secondary school, na fell. To go uni, admission, he fell. He say apply for Harvard 10 times, they reject him 10 times. See even when KFC enter their place, say they did 30 way apply, we go interview, no near way they no take. Say he fell, tired, so but he no give up. But he start with Alibaba. Alibaba.com. The man is a billionaire. So hope day. Some people, now then they make their own money early, some they make them late. But money no be success. Success na that thing where you they do, they happen. Get rest of mind. You get one story. One man we win one big award for London here. That man, Patrick Lawson, they call him 50 years old man. This man, they homeless for 20 good years in the sleep rough. From different heart. Sometimes na outside they sleep. 20 good years. He go get job, he go lose the job because he know they happy. He go get job, he go get sick. You know go work, he go lose them. Now so. Now just 4 years ago, that man see where they advertise, many people come learn how to drive bus. The man come enter, go learn how to begin drive bus. Come discover say his own life of on earth not to drive bus. The man say if he drive bus for 24 hours, now happiness full the man face. The man see never they happy for his life reach now when they drive bus. In fact, this year he get one award where they give people for Hello London award for outstanding customer service. Now the man winner. People when they verse enter that man boss, the man face alone when they laugh go make you begin they happy. So the man don't when they interview the man say he can when he consider say he even kill himself, but he say no, he believes say something there for him. So you when one kill yourself, something there for you. Nkiruka. Even we be human beings, we supposed to learn how we talk to other people. Because you get people where they vulnerable. Say you make small money, no means you go to talk down on other people. You get to where you go talk. You hear how you go talk to somebody, you go commit suicide. Because you get Igbo language, na psychological language, na spiritual language. It dey deep. When Igbo talk to you, say a hotara. Yes, for Igbo it means did you understand? But in deep Igbo, a hotara means you catch something. You know when we dey small. When wind dey too much, we go run for Odara 3. Odara the 4 with the catch up or a hotter. Because you dey small if you catch Odara. If coconut dey fall, we dey run. Because we know say we no fit catch coconut. Because if you fall for us, we fit kill somebody. If okra dey fall, everybody take up, even adults. Because okra dey too heavy. Na so worse e dey. E get worse wey you no suppose talk to somebody wey dey vulnerable. The word dey too big, you no go fit catch am, you fit kill am. So make we know how we dey talk to people. Yeah. Una women wey dey commit suicide wey because man leave una, I wan talk to una. Because any man wey leave you no be for you. No kill yourself because man leave you. Una dey 10 years, una dey 20 years, and you woman, why you go dey with a man for all those years, never propose? What is still there? You get time, you get to move forward. Any man wey dump you, now the best thing will happen to you. You no gonna realize am now. Now 10 years later, 5 years later, you go realize say that thing na if we wey dey here, babe don pause now. Who you be wey babe no go don pause, man no go don pause. You know see e dey now. But you go later know say that thing no be for you, that person no be for you. No kill yourself. The future, wetin dey for this world dey put happiness to. Anything wey happen, use am well. Because in this world, anything wey happen na for good. Now you go make am bad because of your heart. Because if you no understand, another thing they leave people, they get panic. Me, I know when I get panic attack, depression for 1 year, from one depression, because you dey think too much. This one don't happen. You dey live in the past. Make we live in today and the future. The past don't happen. The man will kill himself because of woman. Nah, forget that woman. You go get better wife. No kill yourself. Say your wife cheat, do all those. Leave am. Wish the woman well. In fact, if you see anything that happen to people, wish them well. Now energy they tap. When you they wish people well, now energy they tap. No envy anybody. Tap energy. If you never marry people, they marry, buy gift, give them. Tap energy. You will get your own wife, you will get your own husband. No ever kill yourself for any reason whatsoever. You know what time? Because you get a day here. And make I tell you, you know if you kill yourself. All these things people they hang in themselves. Now the body they destroy. This body no be you. As I dey here now, no be me. This thing where they see, this face where they see. Now my house address. Now my home address be this. If I destroy my home, it no means that I don't destroy myself. So even people where they go kill themselves, drink poison, tie themselves, my brother, you will become homeless for some time. I don't want to go deep because of you know, no be this platform I will use discuss some other things. So my people, the suicide issue I beg, we use at the beg owner. Any position where you did, enjoy am. No suspend or postpone your happiness for any reason. No, because happiness itself no be destination. Na journey. You know, say some people they say, hi, if I enter university, I go day happy. I lie. When you enter, you go begin to say if you graduate, you go day happy. Be happy as you anywhere where you did. Be happy. Use and well, make use of anything where they do. Some people say na marriage go make them happy. When they marry, they going look for children. Say, if I get one child, go they happy. When you get one child, you go no, don't postpone your happiness. They use and they enjoy them. Have your phone. You understand? No ever kill yourself. The future is brighter. The next story, another bad story too. Now, this one happened for Biafra few days ago. For this new year, as I read my verse, this man, where you see here, where they call Biafra man, you know, Mr. Sunday Otas. This man go carry 3 of his children, enter bush, tie with one of his friends, carry the children, enter bush, tie them, carry a pesticide where they call sniper, force them, feed them. Abandon them there. 2 died. The most senior one, 9, that one survived. Now one old man will go bush, come the hear voice, and I go save that one, go alert community. When I read this story, I don't even believe her. Me, I go to social media, go for Facebook, go type that community name, check people away from there, begin chat with them. Many of them confirm this story. I shout, First of all, this man abandoned these children. Their mama even abandoned them. What thing happened? Say one prophet thought say the children are wizards. Children, 3 innocent children, say they be wizards. So as long as say them they nobody go progress. Their mama leave them, their papa leave them. Now their grandmama will come carry these children. They help. The whole community even abandon the children. Everybody they run from the children because they don't tell them say the children are wizards. You see how this outcast thing they start. Now one lunatic go start them. A prophet, 3 innocent children, these useless adults will carry something, just think say they be men. Say carry penis, they waka no men say he be man. You born 3, but you no get sense. An idiot will be prophet, tell you say your children na wizard. You go agree. Abandon them. When you abandon them, an old man, your grandma, your mama, their grandmama can't carry these children. They suffer with these children. You from here and go back. This man from here and go back. Come buy clothes for these children. Convince them, the innocent woman, say don't change, say don't love the children, make a carry the children to go back to buy, say no, no, to go kill these children. Carry these children, enter bush, buy these children. Which kind of wickedness be this? I don't tell people, say these guys when they talk, man of God, they will destroy, they have already destroyed Igbo land. Now small thing remain. And if we no rescue Igbo land from the hands of these people, any human being, pastor, prophet, DB, where open man say child, innocent child, sinner, witch or wizard, that person, they supposed to arrest that person, put them in prison. Now one of these will they look for beer. People don't even understand why. They didn't say not to carry flag. Now to sanitize. You see what happened for Rwanda? Over 70% of the churches were closed. The president said, if you no go school, get first degree in theology, you can't open church. And the kind of thing we go do for sanitize our land from these lunatics, psychopaths, where they demonize innocent children, say they be witches and wizards. I beg, make this year no be that year where you waka from church to church to look for solution. Solution no day for the church. Solution day for you are the temple of the God, the temple of God. Now you be the solution. Now you, no solution. Anytime you begin go to people, they kneel down, they can pray. You are destroying your own Godship because you are a God. Not be seen, no go seek advice, no. But where somebody go, they tell you say your own mama na witch. If you tell me say my mama na witch, my brother, I go bless you with dirty slap. Because I know what it mean to born pikin raise am. Even pikin wey dey small, you dey sick. Your nose block, your mouth carry mouth, tooth for your nose. Suck your nose out, suck am, throw away, pamper you, you can't grow, go nursery, go primary school, go university, can't graduate, you no get job, you dey waka dey people with them. You say one pastor lay hand on you, you can't go in time to get job, you can't abandon your family. They buy more to give pastor, they sow seed, they go offering, tithe. If you reach house, you give your mouth 10,000. With one bag of rice. Give your mama, papa 5,000 with a bottle of schnapps. Then if you go church, you give them 1 million. Then you're a stupid person. In fact, now that reason why they hear say people won't kill their child. No mama, no papa won't kill the child. Now when your stupidity don't reach one certain level, they say, this is an idiot, let's get rid of. You know what it means? Say somebody go they house, they hear say the church, the son go church, go give 5 million. Meanwhile, the roof of the house they leak. That thing fit make. So no listen to these people again. Now here we go stop. Our people this year, the message I they give every Biafran this year, we say, make this year no day like other years. The eye go look, decide who their group, whether group where you dey. Check whether you are leader, na shepherd or na captain, and choose. If you are leader, na shepherd, you live and run. If na captain, follow. Because captain, na team player. When captain get injury, it allow other people where they better to play so that they go win together. But shepherd are dangerous. Shepherd they convince sheep, say they love them. So if sheep see wolf, then they run, go to where shepherd they. They don't know say shepherd, they prepare all of them for slaughter. So now here I go stop, my brothers and sisters. This year go sweet well. I wish all of you well. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Ebeka unusi Biafra, Ebeka unusi Biafra, Gamarapo Biafra, Gawe bozo gabi, Gamarapo Biafra, Gawe bozo gabi, Biafra.